Introducing the 2025 Ford Kuga ST Line 5D2 5HEV225 S62 in sleek black. This hybrid electric vehicle boasts a 2.5 litre engine, automatic transmission, and MPV body style. Packed with premium features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking, safety and style go hand in hand. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more. Drive into the future in style with the 2025 Ford Kuga ST Line.